Just the way it goes, I'll tell you. Every time I put the camera away, we get a fish to bite. And as you can see, I had to save the camera. So, I'll be putting you guys away. Good morning, Enos. I told you I would do a close-up on my downrigger. So here you go, Enos. Here's your video. This is my release. I still haven't measured it. But you can see it right there, I guess. I think it looks like it's about 2 feet. And I was telling you that I rig up my downrigger a little different than what the manufacturer says. There's my downrigger. I rig it up solid. They have a breakaway that if your ball gets fetched up, it'll break away. But that breakaway is too soft for my kind of fishing, because I fish right on bottom and I drag on bottom. So what I do is I'm just a solid hookup. I set my clutch on the downrigger, and I never get hung up on bottom, my method anyway, so that's not even an issue. The only way it's an issue is if I'm dragging one of these balls, and the only time I drag a downrigger ball is when I am fishing 5 to 10 feet below the boat. So there's my setup, Enos. This is what I'm dragging right now. This is what I caught the 30-inch lake trout on last week. Laker. Got a nice Laker. Looks like he's about ready to come in. There you go. Holy smokes. I put it out 35 feet behind the boat. And I don't have counters, I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way up to 35, 8. 33, 34, 35. Set this loose so it will free spin. Then we hook it up. All you do is squeeze it. Yeah, I got that set for 7 feet. And away we go. So there it is, Enos. Today's lunch is going to be homemade baked beans from 2023. Then we got some lake trout from 2020. There she goes. Fish nuggets for supper. What we got here? Awful black, these bass. Well, that's a nice one. Well, there, lunchtime. That was kind of fun.